clamps broke.
There you go.
Hank, are you disappointed we ain't got stung by a wasp yet?
I have been known to get stung in some videos.
Yeah,
on the channel.
I watched a video of you not too long ago being made a believer. We're gonna use the proper tools for this.
Now you're speaking my language.
There you go. I knew this would be get your approval.
Yeah. Yeah.
All right, batteries are in it.
When you're checking oil like this, sometimes it's good to smell it after you check it.
Oh yeah.
About right there. Woo! Try that.
It's been in there a day or more.
Where?
All right, right here's the oil filler tube. Oil filler tube with a vent, and right here is the dipstick. Let's clean that off because there's a bunch of spider webs and it's sitting down here a little bit. Oh, it's some on there, but it's not in a safe zone by any means. Hank got, what, about 100 acres?
75.
75 acres? Look at there, I didn't spill none. Didn't know you can move that fast still.
Look at that, man.
Oh, it's clear all the way down the intake.
That's clean. Look at that.
We're ready to start it.
Yeah, that's fired up.
All right. Let's put the key back in my. May need the starter fluid. Might have put that air filter back in a little bit too early. I'm gonna put it right there and see if we can turn it on.
There you go. Hey! Hey, listen.
That's close.
That's close.
All right, so the clutch is in. You ready?
Yep.
You hit me.
There you go.
Here was high speed. It had an adjustable seat. Look at that. It's not a bad Dozier. It needs a little TLC and some loving, but the clutch is sticking.
Yeah.
So you know it needs a return spring, needs some lube on it. Need to check all the fluids. Basically, it needs to be serviced from top to bottom and greased. But you know what? It's got a lot of potential.